somebody's sister, he's somebody's daughter, and very soon he's going to be somebody's mother, and you're treating her like this. Don't I fire you for you to say this wicked woman is my sister?
You see, oh wicked, and you have the nerves to even touch my rapper. You have the nerves to bring in your pregnant girlfriend into this house, and you expect me to be happy.
You are going. You are leaving. Go, leave my house, leave my house, leave my life. That's where your spirit cannot find your shadow. Go.
Before you go, I will stop at the police station. You can accommodate me for the night.
Get this thing now. Stop this thing now. This police station better than my house. Leave my house for me. If you don't want to live alive, you will live as a dead body.
You will carry a body bag.
I won't hesitate to kill you. You understand? I will not hesitate to kill you. Do not push your luck.
If I'm not happy, you will never be happy. I will never let it happen. And I'm going to the police to make a proper report.
It's okay. It's okay. You're raising him.
Kill me. If you don't kill me today, you're not a man. You cannot be poor and rude at the same time.
Bring down your voice.
I will not bring down my voice.
I can tell you, our neighbor, Papi Joma will laugh at me. What's your problem? Your mama is jealous of me.
Who cares? Jealous of you? Energy 1000.
Please now, don't do this thing now.
Leave her to go. Leave her to go. Oh, will you leave my bag? There's nothing that will make me not leave this house.
Oh, please stop this thing now.
So, I'm about to call police.
Wait, is it because of this horse tail you are wearing on your head that
you could not afford?
I don't want to talk too much. Please, let us go back to the village.
Your sister Kechi's. Who wants to be in this stupid marriage with you? Fool.
You are calling me fool. Your name. You want to dash me your stupid name.
It's your father. Your father is a fool.
Foolish
woman. Fool is your surname.
What's this now? Stop this nonsense. Leave this woman alone. What's your problem? Leave this woman alone. What's your problem?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.